Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue many users face with their Lenovo Legion 5, a touchpad that doesn't respond at all. This problem can arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty touchpad, a software glitch, or even a loose connection inside the device. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications. To tackle this issue effectively, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Then, use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws from the back panel of your Lenovo Legion 5. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you work around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the touchpad connection. It is usually found near the bottom of the motherboard and is connected via a small ribbon cable. Gently disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. If you find that the touchpad is faulty, replace it with a new one. Carefully extract the old touchpad from its housing, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. When installing the new touchpad, align it properly and reconnect the ribbon cable, making sure the locking mechanism is secured. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the casing. After securing the panel, power on your device and check if the touchpad is now responsive. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to keep your device clean and free of dust. Regularly update your drivers and software to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.